Hello y'all, I'm Naturally Curly and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to use these products from Wakati to revert my 3-week-old silk press back into my textured hair. So right now I've been rocking this hair for like 3 weeks. This is the brand I'm going to be introducing you to. The line is from Wakati. I've personally used this products before, so I'm kind of happy to be coming to you about them just to showcase and review because I don't like reviewing really blindly with products. So this is a really good line that I love for my color treated hair because it actually leaves my hair feeling moisturized and it does what it says it's going to do. So I'm starting with their sulfate-free shampoo. Sulfate-free shampoo. Ooh, my lips is cutting up. It is a lightweight shampoo. You don't need a lot for it to lather, and it doesn't leave your hair feeling dry after usage. This shampoo will leave your hair feeling very, very clean and moisturized, okay? And you're going to hear me say very lightweight a lot because after using this brand, my hair always feels lightweight. Like it feels like it just got this deep clean that it needed, and it just feels so fluffy and soft like I'm touching clouds. So the next product I'm going to be using is their water activated advanced conditioner. This product is perfect for detangling. Now I did not detangle my hair before using it. I just went ahead and conditioned my hair and let you go ahead and just see how I'm using the brush to slide through my hair because I have tangle prone hair, so you know I wanted you to see the conditioner do its job, and it's a water activated product, so as soon as your hair gets wet it starts to break down those tangles and allows you to just smooth the conditioner through and let it do its job. You will also see like how my hair instantly just starts to shine. This product just instantly started to do what it was supposed to do. Just felt really hydrating, very moisturizing, and it added the shine that I needed. As you can see, I'm taking my hair down. I just wanted you to see like how it was looking. It was looking very luxurious. Just look at that. Like you would not even know like my hair in the front is just dead, huh? Yeah, in the front is some heat damage, baby, but she's coming back. She is coming back. So I'm going to sit under the dryer. Well, I don't know why I keep saying dryer. My hair steamer for like 20 minutes. And then I'm going to get to styling my hair. So I decided to do a twist out. And this is after shampooing and conditioning my hair. Like you see that? My hair looks so light. And you can see like where my ends, where you can see like the ones that are kind of straggly and just it's trying, girl. So your girl has some breakage in the back. I have finally just life has caught up to me. So I'm going to start with the reactivating conditioner mist. This product, both products that I'm using are leave-in treatments. This is more of a water leave-in liquid treatment, and the next one I'll be using is more of an oil infused cream treatment. But this product right here, the oil infused cream, you would not know it's a leave-in. The way it moisturized and added and defined my curls and my twist, you would not know that this was not a styling product. Like this product does everything. It moisturizes and it just defines your curls. Like this is my first time. I'm not really big on creams. For those of you that have been with me for a long time, you know I'm not big on cream products because they tend to be a lot heavy. My hair is on the more finer side. It is not thin. My strands are fine. I just feel like I need to let you know because some people don't know the difference between thin and fine strands. I have fine strands, so because of that, a lot of products easily weigh my hair down. Now I'm using the silver clips on the root of my hair just to keep from losing too much length because when my hair starts to shrink up, because for the first probably 45 minutes I'm going to sit under the dryer just to let it do a preheat so I can keep some of my hair at the front a bit elongated, well my hair at the root a bit elongated, and then I'm just going to sleep, just let the rest of my hair set overnight. But like I was get back to the tea on my breakage, y'all. For those of you that again have been following me for years, you know I love a good middle part. I style my hair down the middle. That's just how I wore my hair for years, on and on, from having long hair to short hair, whatever. But in my old age, because I am 35, I'm getting older, the middle down the part has officially betrayed me because it has started to pull and cause breakage down the middle. So because of that, luckily it was caught early. I'm going to do a lot more styles with my hair down, and not so many styles with, even when I'm just setting my hair, I'm trying to get away from doing the middle part, like just setting it in two. So I'm trying to do more 3, 4s, and 5 rows in the back when I'm doing my twist. That's just what I'm trying to do, which is why I've just decided to do this twist out first, and then sit under a dryer for the first 45 minutes. So again, the silver clips can do its job in helping for me to keep some length, because my hair, even though it has some damaged parts, overall it's still a bit healthy, so she will shrink up, and that is always a good thing to have, that your hair is still shrinking up. When you have color treated hair, or if you do anything to your hair, you want to keep that shrinkage, because shrinkage means health. It's always a good thing. Okay. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and wrap my hair around the rod. You've seen me do a million twist outs. This is nothing new. So this is how it looks wet. And then we're going to go ahead and take every time I do the big reveal. Boom, boom, boom. I had my light a little too bright, so don't worry, y'all. The foundation does match the neck. It's just my light was a little too bright right now, okay? Y'all know one thing I do know how to do is my makeup. But I'm like, why I look so bright? And that's because I forgot to turn down my ring lights and my light around me. I'm still working on trying to figure out how I want to do my beauty room and set up. So I just kind of put some stuff in the back. This kind of wallpaper, because I got kind of tired of looking at my black dresser. So I'm still figuring out. I don't really know what direction I want to do my beauty room yet, because like in a few months I'll be moving. So I'm just like a bit experimenting. So when I leave this place, I just I get a really good idea of where I want to go. So I'm just separating my curls. You can see, well, my twist. You see how those ringlets are popping. The products that I use are leave-in conditioners that you can clearly use as a styler, and that lets you know when a product is good, and that you don't really need to buy a whole lot of this product, this deactivating cream, this activating cream, this cream. This product literally is a good leave-in conditioner. It helps with frizz. It also adds shine, and it moisturizes. It did everything that I needed to do. The the refresher, the liquid leave-in that I added before, I love to use that product just on my hair, period. Even when I'm just trying to moisturize my ends and keep my ends from drying out, because it's such a good product, and I feel like both those products together work really well together. But I do know that the liquid leave-in conditioner does work really well with other products as well that I've played around with. And so does the conditioner. I've used it with other gels as well, just to see like if it can be if it can use be used with mixed well with other products, and it does. And you can see my middle part. You see how I just have that permanent middle part that I'm trying to now grow out. Yeah, so now I have to pick out the back, and I'm just going to show you how I'm going to do that a little bit, just to try to break it up, because we're not doing that. But yeah, so now this year is my battle of defeating my middle part and growing my hair back out healthy. I will be changing my hair color towards this fall time into a little darker color. So yeah, that's really it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, and I hope you try this line. I absolutely love it. Have a good day. Bye.